Welcome to the MSRA Back to the 50s here at the Minnesota State Fairgrounds for our 40th annual car show with over 12,000 custom cars, 1964 and older. Enjoy the next video and I'd hope to see you here.
Welcome to U.S. Classic Muscle Cars. Thanks for being here. Please enjoy the show.
Man, I love all these old cars.
So pretty, right?
I know.
Hi, my name's Doug, 1962 Chevy II. Turbo 350, or it's got a 350 engine, 200 transmission, shaved door handles, heights kit front and rear.
That's nice. You got a great look. When did you do this?
It was repainted a couple years ago, but I've owned it since 1993.
Wow. And what's the name of the paint?
It's a sunburst orange.
And you don't see many of these models around anymore.
Well, there's quite a few around. You see more and more of the Chevy IIs now than what you used to see, yeah.
Out of all the car shows, I've only seen like maybe 4.
Yeah, there's...
Can you see the engine?
Dirty because it's a daily driver. It's been on 8 hot rod power tours.
That's cool.
It gets a lot of miles.
Cool. So you enjoy driving it?
Oh yeah, we do. Yep.
Nice.
Yep.
And I
Custom hinges.
I like how this is all finished and
Yep.
that's nice. You were saying custom hinges.
Yep.
How's it to drive?
Oh, it's awesome. The heights kit. Yep. It's handles real nice.
There you go. Have you won car show awards?
Oh, I've been a few trophies. Not many, but shaved door handles. We put the gas filler in the trunk. Batteries in the trunk. Power antennas in the trunk.
There you go. Yeah, that's nice and clean.
Custom hinges on the trunk too.
Right. And did you do most of the work?
Yep, I did everything but the painting. The painting's the only thing. That senior's the one that painted it.
The guy with the mustache, right?
Yep.
Looks just like you, same glasses.
Yeah.
Same hat.
That's my dad.
Cool.
No, it's not my dad.
Tell me about the rims.
Those are just an aftermarket Chevy rim.
What makes the car pop, you know?
Yeah. Yep.
That's cool.
Custom, well, the interior, it's not really custom. I did the interior myself, so I'm not, real handy, but it's, I made the console and recovered the seats and they're powered seats.
Sure.
Customized the back seat to match because it's mini tub.
Right.
So
What are the size of the tires on
they're 235 60/15s.
Cool. Since you did all the work yourself,
Yeah.
anyone who helped you that you want to give a shout out to?
Oh, my brothers, a lot of help from my brothers. Like I said, senior, he did the shooting. It was an Arctic gray for 22 years, and then we decided to change the color because everybody thought it was a clear primer, which it wasn't, but it was Arctic gray. But
How many times have you been to the show?
oh, back to the 50s, I've been coming since 1998.
Tell
So.
the people about the show, where we're at, and how many cars.
Oh,
are
back to the 50s. Normally, I haven't heard this year, but it's been up to about 12,000 registered at Back to the 50s at the State Fairgrounds here. And so, it's a good show. Senior, Mikey, Jess, Jaden, brothers that helped, the other family members, and thank you for watching.